All right, I'm back with another HomeDepot.com deal of the day, which is today only, March 9th, Monday. I hope everyone had a good weekend. Let's get into some deals that they're having today, and it is today only again. So I'm going to start off with the Milwaukee mid-torque impact wrench. It's a 3/8 one, and they have that paired with a 5 amp hour battery for $293, saving 33%. That is actually a decent deal because the price for the mid-torque wrench is normally around $279 by itself. So to get the 5 amp hour battery for only $293, that's a pretty good deal. And just so you know, I will have some links down in the description below. You can go right to the products, and if you don't see the tool you want, you can still use the link and then find the one you want, and I'll still get credit here for affiliate sales on HomeDepot.com, and it won't cost you any more money, and I do appreciate that support. All right, next up is the compact hammer drill and impact driver kit. They have the two 5 amp hour batteries as well as a smaller 2.0 battery, and the charger and bag for $331, saving $118. That is only 26% off. All right, next up, they do have a battery kit from M18 for the Forge 8.0 battery and a 5 amp hour battery and the rapid charger for $301. That is saving 31%, $138 off. Now, we've seen as a few weeks ago when they had a better deal where it was two Forge batteries for like $270. This is still a decent deal here, getting that Forge battery as well as the rapid charger. Those alone are going to be worth over $300 by themselves, so it's still a decent deal. All right, next up is the M18 recip saw with the Forge 8.0 battery for $239. We've seen this deal before. It is an awesome deal because that Forge battery is a $229 value by itself. So it is a good deal there, saving 52%. All right, next up is the Ryobi High Performance Lithium 2-pack of the 6 amp hour batteries for $133. That's saving $145. That's 52% off. That's a good deal on those batteries. Then they have again, another 2-pack here with looks like the top off with where you could charge like cell phones or other devices by USB. So that's $143. That's saving $71 almost, and it's 33% off. And they have another version here with the actual charger for $150, saving almost $64 there, 30% off. It looks like they brought back the camper's kit with the clamp fan, Bluetooth speaker, and the light with the two batteries and charger for $202. This is going to be a different kit than what was offered before. So this kit actually has the two 6 amp hour batteries and one 1.5 amp hour battery and charger. That's why it's so expensive this time around at $202. That is saving $310. That's 61% off. And they brought back a good deal on the DeWalt 6-tool combo kit with 5 amp hour and 2 amp hour batteries. Kit that it does include is that Tough System 2.0 case, as well as a drill driver, impact, the grinder, one-handed recip saw, the 6.5-inch circular saw, and the Orbit sander. That's only $500 today. That is saving $400. That's 44% off. All right, next up is one I would actually probably recommend skipping. It is the 20-volt DeWalt 10-tool combo kit with so this kit only includes two of the 2 amp hour batteries and a 3 amp hour one. And the thing is with this kit is that many of these tools are going to be brushed, like the recip saw, the vacuum, the circular saw, and the grinder. I believe the impact driver and the drill are going to be brushless, but for $800, I'd say pass on this kit for today. They are saying it's saving 35%, but you can do better than this. All right, the next deal is on the Ryobi 18-volt 9-tool combo kit. They brought it back again, so it's $329. So if you have a small yard, you can take care of business with the little trimmer and blower for $329. That's saving $315, and it does include the other tools there as well. All right, next up is a decent deal here from Ridgid. It's 18-volt 8-tool combo kit with a 2 amp hour battery and 4 amp hour one charger tool bag. It has the circular saw, the blower, recip saw, the hand vac, the random orbit sander, the drill, an impact driver, and a light for that $283. All right, next up is the DeWalt 60-volt 12-inch cordless sliding miter saw with a 9 amp hour flex volt battery and charger for $620. This is actually a decent deal because normally the saw by itself is around that price, like around $650 by itself, and usually does not include that battery and charger. So a decent deal there from DeWalt. And here's another good deal from DeWalt. They brought it back with the oscillating tool, which is the XR series, and that's going to be the top of the line one versus the Atomic series. It is a 3-speed oscillating multi-tool with a 1.5 amp hour battery and charger for $106. That's saving $113. That is a good deal on that one. All right, next up is the DeWalt Atomic series 1/2-inch drill driver with a 3 amp hour battery for $177, saving 52%. And they have a 2-tool combo kit with the Atomic Series drill and impact driver with two 2 amp-hour batteries, charger for $187, saving $91. Here's another decent deal from Milwaukee. It's on the M18 Forge 8.0 starter kit with the rapid charger as well as the impact driver for $312. It's saving $137. That's 31% off. And another good deal is on the mid-torque impact wrench 3/8 one with the Forge 8.0 battery and rapid charger for $387, saving $162. Another good deal from Ridgid here. 18-volt dual function cordless inflator. It is the tool only though, and it is only $69. It's normally $99. I think this is one of the newer inflators out, and you can do different tasks with it as well. Not just air up tires, but also air up like pool toys or blow up mattresses. So you have versatility in that sense. It has a hose, kind of like similar to the DeWalt one does, where you do different things with it. All right, next up is on the Ridgid 18-volt 8-tool combo kit with a 2 amp-hour battery, 4 amp-hour battery, and charger for $400. That's saving almost $200. That's 33% off. That's another decent deal there from Ridgid. And the next deal's on the Milwaukee M18 cordless duplex nailer and the impact driver for $536, saving $153. That's not so much of a great deal. So if you don't need those, I'd pass on that one. All right, next up is on the compact hammer drill and impact driver combo kit with a 5 amp-hour and looks like 2 amp-hour battery, and they have that also with an inflator for $364. That's saving 26%. Next up is a decent deal from Milwaukee, the M12 brushless 3/8 ratchet with the high-speed 3/8 ratchet for $225. That's saving $164. That's 42% off. That's a good deal on those. Those are the fuel models, so might be worth picking those up if you're in the market for something like that. All right, next up is the M12 drill driver and impact wrench with the inflator. So they have total of 4 tools here, and also a 5 amp-hour battery looks like, and maybe a 2.5 high output. So that's $506. That's not so much of a great deal, so I'll maybe pass on this one. All right, they do have a deal on the 6 amp-hour M12 battery for $72, saving $56. Now I've heard mixed things from you guys. Some of them saying that the 6.0 batteries are garbage. I have some 6.0 batteries and they've been good for me. So I don't know if it was a bad batch that some people got or what the deal is, but I haven't had any problems with my 6.0 batteries. This is a decent deal though at $72, saving $56. The next deal is on the Forge 12.0 battery and charger. Wow, this is an awesome deal at $178. Saving $121. That's 40% off. Let's see how many they have available, because this is probably gonna be sold out, I'm sure, very quickly. They only have 5 available, so chances are by the time you watch this, it's gonna be sold out. That's a crazy, crazy deal. Well, it's at least worth checking out to see if it is still available when you do watch it, but it's an awesome deal. 12 amp-hour battery and that rapid charger for only $178. Okay, the next up is a Ryobi deal with the 2 4 amp-hour batteries and charger for $104. That's saving $169. That's 62% off. That's a good deal on those batteries and the charger. They have another DeWalt deal, the Atomic Series 4-tool combo kit with the oscillating tool, one-handed recip saw, the drill and impact driver with 2 batteries and a charger for $314, saving $135. I'm just gonna scroll through these yard tools here. You certainly pause the video and take a look if you're in the market for any of the yard tools here. And they have some stuff even from Home Light. But I'm gonna stop at this Ryobi 1800 PSI power washer. This is going to be a little bit different than the actual kit that they have like in the store with the dedicated car wash, electric power washer. This one, they have it paired with the regular power washer wand here, but they're throwing in the trigger handle where you're able to attach the metal wand here, as well as a foam cannon and these other nozzles as well. So this is going to be a decent deal right here, $149. That's saving $55 on this kit, and it is 1800 PSI, 1.2 gallon per minute by Ryobi. And they do have a decent deal on the DeWalt 2400 PSI, 1.1 gallon per minute electric power washer for $200, saving $200. That's 50% off. Here's a GenMax power washer, which I've never heard of. I'll skip that. And they do have a DeWalt copper swage tool with a 2 amp-hour battery and charger for $426, saving $173. We'll get into some more tool kits here from DeWalt. It's the 4-tool combo kit with a 4 amp-hour battery and charger for $395, saving $104. That's a decent savings there. That is the XR of looks like the drill driver, impact, and oscillating tool based on this picture. And I think the recip saw should be XR as well, but decent deal there, $400 for 4 tools, as well as 2 4 amp-hour batteries and a charger. All right, Ryobi, they have a deal on 3 batteries, which is 2 4 amp-hour ones ones, and a 2 amp hour battery for 127 bucks. That's saving 234. That's 65% off. Obviously, if you purchase everything separate. Now the Ryobi deal for only $64, you can get a 2-tool kit here with the D-handle jigsaw and the 5.5-inch circular saw for only 65 bucks. That's a crazy deal, and that's saving 64, so that's 50% off. All right, next good deal from Ryobi is on the 18-volt 4-mode half-inch high torque impact wrench with 2 of the 4 amp hour batteries and charger in a bag for $199. That's saving 248 bucks right there. That's 56% off. That's another good deal from Ryobi. Next up from Ryobi is 18-volt brushless 10-inch sliding compound miter saw with a 4 amp hour battery and charger for $271. That's saving 128 bucks. That's 32% off. That's a decent deal. Another DeWalt deal. They have the battery pack with a 6 amp hour and 4 amp hour one with the 4 amp charger for 186 bucks. Saving 163. That's 47% off. And they have a 3-pack of the DeWalt batteries of the 3 amp hour batteries for $205, saving 113. About a Porter cable 23 gauge pin nailer, which is a pneumatic one, so it'll use an air compressor to power it. That's 47 bucks. That's saving $59. That's a pretty good deal on the pin nailer. Here's another good battery deal from Milwaukee. It's on the M12 3 amp hour 2-pack of them for only 53 bucks. It's another good deal right there, saving $75. That's 58% off. So maybe hurry up and check it, see if it's still available. These good battery deals do go quick. All right, the next deal is on the Milwaukee 4-pack of the 1.5 amp hour batteries for 109 bucks, saving 60. And they have a deal on the high torque impact wrench, half-inch one, with the grease gun M18 with 2 batteries. Looks like one 5 amp hour, or maybe another, is a 2.5 amp hour, maybe somewhere around there. It's going to be $534 for this kit, saving 165. That's 24% off. Next M18 deal is going to be on the paddle switch grinder, which is a 4.5-inch/6-inch. Has 2 forged batteries with that, 440 bucks. That's saving 209. And so this kit does have 2 of the Forge 8.0 batteries with that, 440 bucks, saving 209. All right, I'm just going to quickly scroll through these deals for the Milwaukee and Husky wrench sets and socket sets. So you can certainly pause the video, take a look. And they have many different options there from Milwaukee, including the 191-piece mechanics tool set for only 1,019 bucks, saving 180. They do have the ratcheting wrench set for 400 bucks, saving 130. Still, the prices are expensive in my opinion after the sale prices. So they do have a level, the red stick box and torpedo level set for 204. It's only saving 26 bucks though. And here is a good deal from Milwaukee. It's on the open lock variety oscillating blade set. So it has the Japanese hardwood blades, 5-piece of them for hardwood, wood, and multi-material for only 13 bucks, saving 26, 66% off. Pretty good deal on that. And they do have a 1/2-inch drive SAE 6-point impact socket set, 19 pieces for 98 bucks. This is the one that I showed in the store probably like a month ago or so, maybe a little longer, where they had this on a clearance deal for 55 bucks in the store. That was a crazy good deal on that one. I'm going to skip over the whole dozer set. That's 237 bucks. It looks like they brought back the 2-piece of the DeWalt Tough Series construction jack set for 200, saving almost 40. And you get a couple DeWalt 12-inch 60 teeth carbide tip miter saw blades for 76 bucks, saving $52. That's 41% off. So that's a decent deal on that. Not so much of a good deal here on the 44-piece drill bit set, saving only $6. And they brought back the Whisper Series 7.5-inch fan kit with a 2 amp hour battery and charger for 60 bucks, saving 39. They have a 3-tool lighting kit by Ryobi for 80 bucks, saving 39. And here's a decent deal on a stiletto hammer, 14-ounce titanium smooth face hammer. It's only 90 bucks. That's saving 25. So this one is a smooth face one. So this is actually only $10 more than the Doyle hammer at Harbor Freight. So I think it might be worth picking up the stiletto over the Doyle. What do you think? All right, they have a level deal from Husky. So that's not so much of a great savings, only $5. And then a Husky 3-gallon 120 PSI portable pancake air compressor for 33 bucks, saving 34. That's a decent deal on that. It is rated up to 120 PSI and 3-gallon. All right, that appears to be it for the daily deals for today only, March 9th, 2026. So if you enjoy content like this, I would really appreciate it. You do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos that I do. And in case you've missed my other recent videos that I've done, I am trying to get to 50,000 subscribers. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. And as soon as I do reach that 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway of 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. It's going to be the little socket sets that they have. And I have 5 of them to give away as soon as the channel reaches 50,000 subscribers. So I need your help to get me there. And I really do appreciate that support. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.